Ordered pairs of a relation. State two ordered pairs that satisfy each relation and one ordered pair that does not. So as you know, ordered pair are a set of x and y points which lie on the relation. That is to say that if I plug in a value of x, then for that value I should get the y value. Now in this first relation, it represents a line. To find two ordered pairs which satisfy this line, we can start with any value of x. 0 is always the best selection. So if I use x as 0, if I put 0 here, I get 2 times 0 as 0 and y becomes minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is an ordered pair which will satisfy this relation, which is line. To find the second point, we can have another value of x. Let it be 1 this time. If x is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 1, 1. So 1, 1 is a point on this line with ordered pair 1, 1. And it satisfies this equation. The other one which does not satisfy, so at 1 the value is 1. If I write any other value, then that will not satisfy, right? So the one which does not satisfy this relation will be 1. I can write 0 for example, correct? Likewise, we can find any number of ordered pairs which will satisfy a relation. Now here we have a quadratic relation. If I write x as 0, then y is equals to 0 minus 0 plus 4. So if we get 0 and 4 as an ordered pair which satisfy this relation. If x is 1, you can do your calculations. 1, that is 1 minus 3. 3 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 will give me 2. So that satisfies the relation. The one which will not satisfy will be, for example, 1 and any other number, let us say 3, correct? So likewise, we can find different ordered pairs. So these two questions are for you to practice. Well, here, equation is slightly different, right? So here what we can do is, we can select points like x equals to 0. So if I select x equals to 0, I'll leave that for you. If I select x equals to 0, the first term is 0. We get minus 3y equals to 12. Let me write x as 0 first. Then y will be 12 divided by minus 3, which is going to be minus 4. I can also use y as 0. So this time, let me write y as 0. So y position is always the second position, right? If I write y as 0, minus 3y will be 0. I get 2x equals to 12. X will be 6. Right? You can place these values and check if they satisfy or not, correct? Well, to find a value which does not satisfy, we can take some value of x, let's say 1, and if I write y also 1, I get 2 minus 3 as minus 1 but not 12, right? So I can write 1, 1, which will not satisfy this particular relation. I hope it makes things very clear. This is for you to practice. Thank you and all the best.